Cabarete. Cabarete.
Oh, that's so
Kite
cool that
beach.
that's so cool that the summer is the busy season,
Time
eh?
for more windy. So.
Yeah, well, it'd be cool because if we came out here in the next couple months, we see a lot of action.
And they're staying down there, about 500 yards down the beach. See all the kites. Look at her coming in. She's got to wrestle that kite.
Wow.
He's helping her land it. That's cool. Look at them go, eh?
Yeah.
Here we are in Cabarete, which is one of the premier destinations in the world for kite surfing. As you can clearly see, you might have already heard about it. It's very well known. It's kind of a slow day, and you can see how many people are out today. How was it?
Oh, I looked up info on the Oh, cool. Yeah, he gave me. Are you with that one? Oh, you're. No, I'm just looking into it right now. Keeps us all this like on YouTube during the day, you know. I mean,
Yeah.
people just live it.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
So here we are taking a walk down the Cabarete, very windy kite
Yeah,
surfing beach.
We're used to doing it like at night where we have the restaurants and we don't
Yeah.
see these people surfing because it's dark already, you know?
And it's not as windy at night, but it's a totally different vibe here, which is cool. So many different environments. Here's a lady selling mango and banana.
It's so cool how they have it. Yeah, I like originally they touched me the pool and got a windsurfer.
Nice. It's like our home pool, only with a little addition.
But yeah, these places are cute. Hotels and stuff.
It's very different.
Look, I like this cute, like these little hotels.
It's very boutique-y.
Yeah, I like them.
Boutique hotels. Palm Beach
For the kite surfer.
condos, yeah.
You come here during the season of the windy season. And
That's a nice boutique hotel.
oh, it's so cute. Fantastic.
For rent. Yeah,
That's kind of what I want to eventually get a little beach
in there.
condo, rent it out,
Yeah.
and then be able to enjoy it. But look, this is the summer. The summer gets busy here, and then the other areas get busy in the winter. You know.
Yeah. Crystal Oasis. 15 luxury apartments. Now we're going into another quaint area just on the beach in Cabarete.
Cute, eh?
Oh,
Yeah, it's a different vibe than when we come for the restaurant.
oh yeah.
I can't wait to show her. Angie, I want to show her all the pictures. Oh, it's over there. Like a little doggy bird.
Oh,
Oh, look at all these little cute places.
yeah. Look at that penthouse up there and everything. Jeez, this place would be too relaxing. You get nothing done here.
Well, that's what I mean. Like it's like a weekend place because
I can feel my energy draining.
you get one of these places. You come down for the weekend and you get up early. You do the windsurfing and you relax, and then later on you come out at the nighttime and go to the restaurants. You know what I mean?
When you done recording, bro, come back.
Okay.
Good special.
Thank you.
See, these are so cute. Eh? You see these little patios?
Gorgeous.
I like this little, like the little patio decor.
Good. How are you?
I'm doing well, always. What's going on?
Just walking around.
Let me tell you something.
What's that?
It's the only place we have happy hour, unos 50 pesos. Enjoy your vacation, save your money. So if you want, you can sit and enjoy the happy hour. Look, mojitos and cobaligo, unos 50 pesos.
It's the
Those
one
for-
with the casino.
Yeah, those, see, you can sit.
Well,
Mi amor,
Yeah, food.
I'm in the way.
mi amor.
Hola.
She speak English?
English.
Yes.
Okay, the only place you're gonna spend the happy hour. Unos 50 pesos.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Look, happy.
Now we're having mojitos. 2-for-1 mojitos. Look at that. 2 mojitos for $3.90.
Oh, yeah. get here.
And they're so good and natural. The girls here really know how to make them well.
See, we'll have to come here when it's like, come here early sometimes so we can spend the day and with Andrew on the beach. That's the cool thing, because this is like a cooler beach that we can come down. You know what, like for other places we can come down, because you have to pay, remember?
Yeah.
So
Well, you have to pay if you get a chair here.
Yeah, but you know, we could, she comes out of the beach, we have all this area, you know?
Yeah, but if you want to use those chairs, you got to rent them.
Okay, but how much if we did?
A couple hundred pesos for the day.
So we'll plan for that. Look at all the windsurfers.
Gracias.